What's going on, guys? So I just got back from a job where the customer complaint was the outlet melted, or the plug melted. They had the outlet replaced, but I guess whoever replaced the outlet did not replace this plug on the end of a power strip. You can see I just cut it off. What happened was they painted this. You can see this kind of paint on the bottom. That's the color the wall was. What happened was, on the hot side, they painted. Some of that is burned, some of that's paint. You can see the paint on the inside prong. It'd be kind of hard to see, but it is definitely halfway painted. So what was happening was, when they plugged this in, wasn't making good contact, which is what caused things to heat up. The only thing they had plugged into this power strip, oh, there's a good shot of the paint. See that? See that? Yeah, only a little bit of copper there. So what happened was, this was a business that had 3 kiosks, what we call computer terminals, flat screen, all one piece kind of things on the wall where customers can order stuff. This was plugged in to an outlet, which went into a raceway that went over to a power strip, and from there it split out to 3 different. The power packs on these things were rated to 2.4 amps a piece, although they never actually draw that much. They're maybe drawing an amp a piece, if that. Flat screen monitors, they're not hardly using anything. But the complaint was the outlet melted. They had the outlet replaced, but I guess the electrician who did that did not replace this, so they were still nervous about this. This was caused by painted prong. Because, I did an amp test. There was hardly nothing being drawn with all 3 of these things running. This is a result of whoever painted the wall, painted part of the prong, which wasn't making good contact, or barely making contact, which causes things to heat up under very little resistance. And yeah, that's what. So I just snipped this off. I put a new plug on, and don't paint your plugs. It was obvious to me when I pulled it out. The outlet was brand new. The outlet was just replaced. But whoever did that did not replace this. And you can see, it's hard to tell that's inside prong. Yeah, some of that is burn, but that brown, this is 2 different, that brown grayish, all inside right beneath the first hole there. That is paint, which was causing it not to make good contact, which was causing it to heat up. And the only thing plugged into these outlets, or this outlet, was 3 very, there's a good, see the paint? You can tell what's paint and what's burn. So, paint on the top. Yeah, and you can tell the paint, there's the culprit right there. They painted the wall, and the painter got a little bit of dripping on the plug, and hooked it back up, and over time it just wasn't making good contact, which melted the plug. They replaced the outlet. They replaced the outlet, and then I just replaced this. So don't paint your plugs. It's not good. You guys have a good one.